Okay, gotta go kind of fast because my battery is flashing. Is this Sassy? Sassy's a sweet, sweet girl. She's really scared. But she's very sweet, aren't you? Tell them how sweet you are. I know. I'm not even gonna call her up because if she's busy, she's got her mind off stuff. Hi, Bishop. Hanging in there, buddy. Hanging in there. A sponsorship for you and Aspen, huh? Alright, that means it's time to get a home. This awesome guy is Jack. Hi, one-eyed Jack. You've never heard that joke before, have you, buddy? He is awesome. Don't let him fool you. He's kind of a big barker in the kennel, but take him outside. He is a lover. I was telling him. I told him all about it. Bo, this guy is absolutely awesome. Okay, it's all right. Jack, you got Jack. You got the noisy neighbor, Bo. Did you get the noisy neighbor? I'm sorry. Just awesome doggy. I know, honey. He don't belong. Who's a good boy? You are a good boy. Jack? You be a good boy? Jack? Bishop? Aspen? It's Sassy!